I'm Rolando Camba, the founder and owner of Dependable Plumbing and Siphoning Services. We're offering like drain cleaning services, sewer and drain for residential, commercial, and industrial. And also we do finishing plumbing like installation, wrap-in, marine services like drain cleaning, removal of clogs, and chemical cleaning. We're buying professional tools to equip us and doing our job. We're a nationwide contractor of a multinational company dealing with the decluttering, cleaning of all waste system, and plumbing work. We're using a good brand. Actually, this is RIDGID brand. I'm using this for how many years? Since 1990s when I was in Saudi Arabia. And when I put up my own company, we're using the RIDGID brand available in the market, from drain cleaning, trading machine, handy tools, ladders, vacuum. I always reserve to have money to buy for this brand. Actually, the drain cleaning machine we are using for removal of clogs, for the malls, buildings, schools, and ship. I had the aluminum pipe wrench. It's very useful if you compare to the other available brand in the market. RIDGID is a partner of my business. We're very convenient if you use professional tools like RIDGID. We started using RIDGID when I was 24. Now I am already 58. So my hand is always a partner with RIDGID machine. I always recommend the durability of this product. Working in plumbing trades, you have a good income. I had $1 million here in plumbing, dirty job. There is some area that you need to face or handle with the dirt, but we have a lot of protective equipment to use. I have civil engineer produced by plumbing. The other three, they are helping me in my business. It's a good business and trade. I trusted very much the RIDGID brand.